Okay, let's do this trade, bro. Let's do this trade.
Okay.
Okay, alright. 3, 2, oh wait, hold on, it's going. 3, 2, 1.
Skip will get stabbed. Skip. I'm sorry!
Oh, well. You were trying to scam me, huh? Shut up! You gonna scam me again? No? But that's what you said, and guess what? You did it. You're scamming me. By the way, and I have the Discord, and you've been reported 15 times for scamming, bro. You're a certified scammer. You know what? You deserve to die.